Kate here at WTI, and I am a huge fan of mirrors. I just find they look great in every space, and this one from CUCZUUS is no exception. This is a full-length mirror. It has two mounting options, so you can either mount it right to the wall. It has these little screw holes here, or it has its own stand, which is the way I like to use it because I do like to move it from room to room every now and then. And so having it be portable, but also be able to stand really sturdy and at the perfect angle is ideal for me. Now I have the one in the gold finish, really beautiful finish on this mirror, but they do come in other options as well. I'm really pleased with the quality. It's made of tempered glass, so I know that it's sturdy and not super fragile, but if it did break, I'm not gonna have a big disaster to deal with. The image is nice and clear. There's no warping, no distortion, just a nice high quality mirror. So if you're looking for similar, I think this one is an excellent choice, and that's my point of view.